Good day, Saudi! Punta kaming Boulevard City. And then, buti na lang kamo, yung hotel namin is malapit lang sa metro. Hindi kami magka-car kasi sobrang traffic mamaya. Station. Guys, ang kinuha ko palang pass is 20 riyals, valid for 3 days na yon, unlimited ride, plus magbabayad pa ng extra 10 riyals para sa card naman. So, total na binayaran ko is total 30 riyals. Meron na akong for 3 days na unlimited ride sa train.
KAFD, King Abdullah Financial District. المحطة التالية هي المركز المالي. ستفتح أبواب الجانب الأيسر. King Abdullah Financial District.
Lamig siya ha. 10 degrees. In fairness. Guys, pagbaba pala namin kay AFD, nag-taxi kami papuntang Boulevard World at binayaran namin is 45 Saudi Riyals lang. Napag-decidean kasi namin na mag-taxi tsaka mag-train lang para ma-experience din naman namin at tsaka ma-familiarize namin ang place. And then at the same time, sabi kasi nila, especially on weekends, medyo mahirap maghanap ng parking lot, lalo na pag masyadong maraming tao. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!